Economic Cooperation of West Africa, exploring ECOWAS, the Economic Community of West African States and its role in promoting regional development and integration across the continent. What is ECOWAS? Sub-regional organization. The Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, is a sub-regional body formed by West African nations. Core objectives. Its aim is to promote cooperation and development across all economic sectors and foster regional integration. The birth of ECOWAS. 1973. The idea of establishing ECOWAS was conceived by the heads of states of Nigeria and Togo. May 28, 1975. The Lagos Treaty was signed in Lagos by 15 independent West African states, formally establishing ECOWAS. Later addition. Guinea-Bissau joined to complete the 16-member organization we know today. ECOWAS member states. 16 countries form the backbone of West African economic cooperation. Nigeria. Host of the Secretariat. Togo. Financial headquarters. Benin Republic and Côte d'Ivoire. Additionally, the member states include Liberia, Sierra Leone, Guinea, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Guinea-Bissau, Gambia, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, and Cape Verde. ECOWAS headquarters. Administrative Secretariat. Abuja, Nigeria. The main administrative hub moved from Lagos to Nigeria's capital city. Financial headquarters. Lomé, Togo. Manages the financial operations and monetary policies of the community. Organizational structure. ECOWAS operates through 5 key organs that ensure effective governance and implementation. Authority. Heads of states. Council. Ministers. Secretariat. Administration. Tribunal. Justice. Commissions. Technical. The authority of heads of states. Highest decision-making body. Composed of all 16 heads of states from member countries, this authority makes the most critical decisions for the community. They set the strategic direction and approve major policies for regional integration. Council of Ministers. Composition. Made up of 2 representatives from each member state, ensuring balanced participation. Functions. Monitors community functioning and development, making recommendations to the authority. Technical commissions. 5 specialized commissions handle specific areas of cooperation: trade and customs, immigration, monetary and payment systems, transport and communication, energy and infrastructure development, industry and agriculture, natural resources management, social and cultural, community affairs and integration, defense, security and peacekeeping operations. Major achievements. ECOWAS has delivered significant benefits to West African nations: common market development, created integrated economic zones for enhanced trade, free movement, citizens can travel and settle across member states, trade liberalization, reduced barriers and promoted regional commerce. Cultural and educational integration. Cultural unity. ECOWAS actively promotes cultural integration, safeguarding and celebrating West African heritage through collaborative programs and vibrant exchanges across member states. Educational cooperation. The organization fosters enhanced educational interaction and robust scientific cooperation, facilitating knowledge sharing and academic advancement among member nations. Security and communication. Military cooperation. Joint peacekeeping and security initiatives across West African member states. International communication. Improved connectivity and information sharing channels. Sports promotion. Regional competitions and athletic development programs. Challenges facing ECOWAS. Despite achievements, several problems limit ECOWAS effectiveness. Economic challenges, similarity of products, currency differences, and debt burden issues. Political issues, different ideologies, instability, and colonial allegiances. Implementation problems, non-payment of dues, and poor program execution. Structural barriers. Language barriers. Multiple colonial languages create communication challenges across member states. Transportation issues. Poor infrastructure limits trade and movement between countries. Fear of domination. Smaller states worry about larger economies controlling regional policies. Solutions for progress. ECOWAS can overcome challenges through strategic reforms, diversification of production, reduced product similarity through varied economic development, payment of dues, ensure consistent financial contributions from all members, program implementation, strengthen resolution and execution of community initiatives, common currency, establish unified monetary system for easier trade. Integration solutions. Language education, promote modern language learning, free movement, enhance border mobility, political stability, strengthen democratic institutions, colonial independence, reduce external dependencies. Trade liberalization impact. Trade liberalization remains a cornerstone solution for ECOWAS success. By removing barriers and promoting free trade, member states can increase intra-regional commerce, create competitive markets, boost economic growth, enhance regional competitiveness. The path forward. Commitment. Member states must demonstrate unwavering dedication to community goals and shared prosperity. Unity. Strengthen bonds between nations while respecting individual sovereignty and cultural diversity. Progress. Achieve sustainable development through coordinated efforts and strategic implementation. ECOWAS success metrics. 16 member states, countries united in economic cooperation. 49 years. Since establishment in 1975. 5 key organs. Governing bodies ensuring effective management. Building West Africa's future. ECOWAS represents the collective aspirations of West African nations for economic prosperity, political stability, and social progress. Through continued cooperation, commitment to shared values, and strategic implementation of solutions, ECOWAS can overcome current challenges and achieve its vision of a truly integrated West African community. The journey toward complete economic integration continues, with each member state contributing to a stronger, more unified West Africa.